Are you curious about yoga but lacking time or experience? You are in the right place. This is a very fast yoga class. You will not need a mat. All you need is room to spread your arms. Welcome to this mellow and energizing beginner's yoga class. Please keep in mind that you're just beginning and everything should be very gentle. You don't want to push yourself too hard or hurt yourself. It should feel nice. You want to start by planting your feet, feeling very solid in your feet, bringing your left hand onto your heart, right hand onto your stomach, closing your eyes, and just starting to feel your breath exactly as it is. Just letting yourself slow down. Feeling your breath come in through your nose, slower than you normally breathe. The long exhale helps your shoulders and face relax. Then letting your ear fall to your shoulder, either side. Letting your chin drop to your chest in front of your collarbones. Slowly rolling from one side to the other. Still breathing slow and feeling your heart and breath under your hands. Rolling your head so slow, side to side. Then bringing your chin out toward your shoulder. Bringing your chin toward your chest. Making your way across your chest, back to the other shoulder. Moving so slowly. The chin comes out like you're going to touch your shoulder. Relaxing your lips. Very gently lifting your head. Letting your hands come out at your sides. Feel your fingertips gently reaching for the ground. The crown of your head pulling tall. The shoulders gently pulling down. Still feeling those slow breaths. Noticing any resistance to the stillness. And just staying with your slow breath. Relaxing your forehead and eyebrows, lips, shoulders. The right hand comes down to your right thigh as your left arm reaches up and comes over your left ear, reaching to the right. Lifting up with your obliques, letting your left hand touch your left thigh, right arm reaches over your head to the left. Reaching through your fingers actively, coming up with strong obliques. Staying gentle with all of the movements, making sure nothing feels painful. Bringing your hands to your lower back with fingertips pointing down, pressing your hips forward, engaging your glutes, opening your chest and shoulders. Transitioning to the next posture, bringing your feet wide, heels in, toes pointed out. If you can't lower all the way down, it's okay. You can bring your forearms to your thighs and just come sinking low as you can with your hips. If you can, come all the way down, bringing your palms together and using your elbows to press your knees wide. Coming up with strong glutes back to a standing position, bringing your feet wide and parallel, hinging at your hips, folding forward, bringing your hands to your shins. You can also bring your hands to your thighs if that's more comfortable, or bringing your forehead toward the ground. Slowly rising back up. Clasping your hands above your head with your palms facing toward your head, pulling your hands to the right. Pulling hands to the left, staying solid in your foundation of your legs. Bending into the right knee, so your right knee is directly over your right ankle. Reaching both arms opposite directions, like you're having a tug-of-war between your arms. The shoulders are directly over your hips. Left hand reaches back to the left leg. Spreading your toes to keep balance. Strong right thigh, right arm reaches over your head, reverse warrior. Coming forward, strong legs. Right forearm comes to the right thigh. Left arm reaches overhead, stretching through the fingers. Feel your left hip opening up toward the sky. Coming up strong, turning your feet so your left foot is facing away from you. Right foot is at a 45-degree angle. The knees over the ankle. Feeling strong in your inner thighs. Reversing the warrior once you feel solid with your balance. If you get shaky with your balance, it's totally okay to move slower than I'm going. Coming into your extended side angle, left forearm onto your left thigh as right arm reaches overhead, right hip spiraling open toward the sky. Coming up strong, bringing your feet together, bringing your arms to goalpost arms. Bent elbows, bringing your right arm under your left arm. If your hands can't do that, it's okay to just bring your hands together and elbows together. So whatever your arms are trying to do today, getting into your eagle arms, pulling your elbows to one side as you look away from your elbows. Pulling your shoulders down and across your body, looking away from your elbows, pulling the other way. Then bringing your elbows up tall, and bringing your elbows down toward your belly button, bending your knees, rounding your lower back. Feeling your lower back open up as you move gently side to side. Coming back up, stretching your arms wide, opening your chest. Bringing your hands to your lower back again, opening up in a back bend. Whoa. Left arm comes under right, bringing your palms toward each other, pulling arms to one side, looking away from them, pulling shoulders and elbows down and across, looking away from your elbows. With an inhale, bringing elbows up overhead. With an exhale, elbows come in toward the belly button. And once you're down here, bending your knees and just moving, tucking your tail under, tucking your hips underneath. Then coming into a forward fold, spreading your toes, feeling the weight come into the balls of your feet a little bit more. If your lower back hurts at all here, bending your knee. If you have lower back pain, it's probably not a good idea to do this pose, having a deep bend in your knees. So finding balance on the right foot, letting your left foot come out to the side. You may lift your left foot up just a couple inches off the ground, just playing with your balance here. Then kicking your leg out straight to the front as high as you can bring it. Then testing the other leg, bringing that straight out front, straight out to the side as high as you can bring it. If you get wiggly or lose your balance, no worries, you're getting better every time you do this. Letting your feet come back together, feeling your weight in your feet. Bringing your hands together, feeling balanced. Feeling heightened awareness in this moment of your breath, of your senses. As you know, we live in a vibrating universe, and gratitude is the highest vibration. I'm so grateful you chose to join this yoga class with me today. Hope you have the best day.